I just bought this $10,000 BMW for only 1,500 bucks. Yes, it runs and drives. The saddle brown leather interior is in perfect condition. It has about $2,000 worth of modifications, which we'll get into very soon. So that leaves one big question: why was this car so cheap? It has 170,000 miles. It sat for about a year, which on its own could bring a ton of headaches. We're pretty sure it has a blown turbo. It's a salvage title and has a bunch of idiot lights on the dash. So despite all of the car's issues that it does have, it performs almost as if nothing is wrong. The car is pretty quick, pretty fast with its upgrades. So before we get into everything, we're gonna take it around and we're gonna take it to the car wash. This car is very filthy and it's too cold out to do a hand wash. So we're gonna take it to the car wash real quick, maybe grab some food, and I'll show you guys a little bit more about how this thing sounds. Some people say it sounds like crap. I think it sounds pretty good, but let's check it out. Woo! As you saw, the car was sitting for a while and it has been sitting outside my shop for a little bit since we bought it. You guys saw that last video, but it is very dirty. So take a quick look real quick around how dirty this car is. You can see the trunk. Look at the trunk. The trunk is filthy. Come around this way. You can see it really shining with all the dirt in the sun. Hopefully a quick car wash will clean it up. Doesn't need to be anything crazy. We're not going to do a hand wash. It's an older car. So here we go. Well, typical BMW problem, we just got an alarm for low oil level, so we just pulled into the AutoZone and we are gonna get another quart of oil really quick because BMW thinks. What the? Oh, I thought they were closed. Yeah, I just need a quart of oil for an 08 335. That's pretty cheap, actually. Honestly, it's a piece of... We got the 5W30 going in from STP. Oh, I just whacked my head on this sharp thing right here. Look how sharp it is. Am I bleeding? Ow, I just whacked my head on it. Oh my God, and my struts don't work.
And then he congratulated me at the end. But it was just like, well, relax.
That's funny. Let's get out of here. Oh man, you hear that? It sounds sick. This car sounds dope. But now that we have the oil in the car, it shouldn't give us any alarms. We'll let it set in, and then we'll give this car a couple of rips. You guys will be able to hear it a little better. We'll get some reactions of me and Ethan in the car because he's felt it before, but then you haven't felt it from a launch, have you?
No.
He hasn't felt it from a launch, and that's where this car shines because the XI. Oh wait, is it IX? I know a lot about these. All right, let's head on over there, get the car washed, clean it up, and then we'll get some clips of this thing ripping around. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, do not judge me. I do not condone this most times. We are at a quick car wash. I need the classic duck exterior. They're gonna wash me like a little rubber ducky. I don't know if I'm comfortable with this. Like I said, I don't usually condone these, but paint's already, whatever, it's old. So we're gonna bring it through the car wash, clean it up. All right, this guy is finishing up drying my car ever so kindly, and that was about $10 for that quick automatic car wash. So Not too bad. It's kind of standard price. Can't believe it used to be $5. Now the standard's 10. But we're gonna go head over back to the shop. Good. Thank you. We're gonna head over back to the shop. All right, we just filled up. We're getting gas, and we picked up my girlfriend. We got my brother in the car. We're gonna do a couple quick hits, and I don't think they're ready for it. It's not super fast, but it's definitely faster than the average, Corolla and Jeep driver are used to. So should be pretty fun. All right, we are all in the car. We have my brother, my girlfriend. We picked her up, and we are ready to go for a couple rips, get some reactions. She's nervous. Why are you nervous, babe?
I don't know what you're gonna do.
All right, round 2. Let's see if we can find a spot back here where we can do a little launch. Ready?
Never.
It's just like my Corolla.
I'm scared.
No.
You're crazy. No. I'm sweating.
So the car is pretty fun, pretty fast. It's nothing insane, but it's definitely a fun car. It's got some good power. It has its problems, which we will fix, but for now, sounds good.
Get me out of here.
Those cracks are insane.
Cut it out.
Going out. This?
That was the best one.
You think your neighbors hate you?
Nah. They hit him out. And that's how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. As you see, the interior is pretty dirty. So we're gonna get this thing cleaned up. We're gonna take the mats out, clean them up, vacuum all the floors, and get the interior looking good. Let's grab the vacuum, clean this baby up. Oh, yeah! Oh. love dirt. That's why I love rubber mats. Can you zoom in a little bit or no? On that lens? All right, so we got to go into the trunk now. Pretty much everything in the front section is pretty cleaned up, but we got some goodies back here, some chemical guys bin. We got some garbage. We got some more chemical guys material. You guys like this stuff? You're going to have it. Let me know. Come pick it up. Just kidding. Don't come here. Let's clean this trunk out and vacuum it up. Make it look good.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Simple Build.
Whoa! Oh, sorry. I forgot what I was doing. She distracted me. That is everything out of the trunk. Guys, do not use your trunks as your garage. It is disgusting. As you see here, we got like a nest growing in the corner here. We're gonna vacuum this stuff out and clean this stuff up. Dang, that is not strong enough for that. Something's not working. This thing is garbage. I think it's broken. I mean, I've had it for like 3 years, 4 years. That is so unsatisfying. I can't believe that. That's not even... This thing is garbage. Look at that. Something... Vacuum just broke. That sucks. Alright, well, you know what? Just take it out. Just shoot it. So we got a bunch of stuff here. We got some old oil, not gonna need that. We got a crappy microfiber drying towel. We have ours, way better than that thing. Some garbage. We got some microfibers, that is good. We'll hang on to those. And then we got some soap. We got some garbage here. Some more soap. And We do not need this thing. That's garbage. Let's see what we got in here. We have a crappy drying thing, some crappy towels. Oh, that's good. A brand new microfiber wash mitt. Another one. Another one. That's cool. And then garbage. And now we have a grit guard on the bottom of this. So that's pretty cool. I never had one of those. I think it goes like this, on the bottom like that, and then it keeps all the dirt down there. So those are nice. We'll keep some of the good stuff in here. Some of the soap, we might use this. And the towels. Stuff that back in there. Now we got a nice little Chemical Guys storage container with some good stuff. A funnel. Cleaned up. Let's get it going. Keep a tidy shop, and the shop will take care of you. Very important. So the car is back in the shop. We got it cleaned up. Let me know what you guys think about this car. If any brands out there that work specifically with BMW, let me know if you guys want to work together. Let me know what you guys think about the updated quality, and make sure to jump into the Motor Club. Get entered into there for any current giveaways what we have going on, and also help support the channel. So thank you guys so much for tuning into this one. I'll catch you guys in the next one.